Hello, today we're going to be reading Chapter 1, The Fall Sports Festival. When looking at this picture of these trees, what tells you that it's fall? You can tell that it's fall because the leaves are changing colors. They're no longer green, they're red and orange. It is fall. Fall is a fun time to be outside. It is a fun time to play sports. Many sports are played in the fall. Many communities have fall festivals. What are some things that you can do in the fall? Some things that you could do would be go to the pumpkin patch and carve pumpkins, or go to haunted houses and corn mazes. And when it's around Halloween, when it is Halloween, you get to go trick-or-treating. JR, Mark, Sydney, and John are friends. They are each learning about motion in school. Their teacher asked them to think about motion and how objects move. What luck! There is a fall sports festival in their community. A sports festival is a great place to see objects in motion. What are JR, Mark, Sydney, and John learning about at school? If we scroll back up and look into the story, the second sentence says, they are each learning about motion in school and how objects move. JR, Mark, Sydney, and John enjoy sports. They like watching sports. They like playing sports. JR, Mark, Sydney, and John want to go to the sports festival. They want to play and watch their favorite sports. They will use sports to help them think about motion. What do JR, Mark, Sydney, and John all like? Well, when we go back into the story, we can see that they all like playing sports. When we're looking at this picture, what kind of sports can you see are in this picture? We have a football, basketball, soccer ball, tennis, volleyball, and even golf. JR likes the sport of track and field. He likes to race his wheelchair around the track. He will think about the force that makes him move. Mark likes to play soccer. He likes to score goals. He likes to kick the ball to see how high it can go. He will think about gravity and motion as he plays soccer. What are JR and Mark's favorite sports? So if we scroll back up in the story and use the picture for reference, we know that JR likes the sport of track and fields, and we know that Mark likes to play soccer. Sydney likes to play volleyball. She likes to hit the ball hard over the net. She likes to hit the ball across the court. She will think about speed and direction as she plays volleyball. John likes to play basketball. He likes passing the ball. He likes shooting the ball to score points. He will think about distance and height as he plays basketball. What are Sydney and John's favorite sports? Well, we can look back in this page and we can look at the photo and let's try and see what kind of sports are they holding? What kind of sports balls are they holding? John right here is holding a basketball, so he likes to play basketball. And Sydney is holding a volleyball, and that's her favorite sport to play. JR, Mark, and Sydney and John can't wait to go to the festival tomorrow. They hope to see many things in motion there. Where will JR, Mark, Sydney, and John go? They're going to go to the Fall Sports Festival and they're going to look at things that are in motion.